Today, I'm comparing the Typhur Sync Oven and the Ninja French Door Premier Oven. I use both of these in my kitchen, and while they share similar functions, they cook very differently and come with different strengths. Here's the condensed breakdown based on real use. Let's start with what each oven includes. The Typhur Sync Oven comes with wide air fry basket, a baking pan, a wire rack, crumb tray, and the wireless meat probe, heat-resistant sleeve on the power cord, and even an orange oven mitt. It also has 3 rack positions, and what I love is that the display tells you exactly which rack level to use depending on the cooking mode. The Ninja French Door Premier includes the 5-quart air fry basket, sheet pan, broil rack, wire rack, and its own chrome tray. It has 2 rack positions, and unlike the Typhur, it doesn't guide you on which rack to use, and I found myself checking the manual until I got used to it. Now, the biggest difference between these ovens is power and speed. For the pizza test, I followed the 18-minute cooking guidance on a frozen DiGiorno, and the Ninja, they cooked it perfectly at 18 minutes, browned evenly, and exactly what you expect if you follow the box instructions. The Typhur completely overcooked the pizza at 18 minutes. When I tested again and monitored it, it only needed about 9 minutes to reach the same doneness level. So Typhur cooks much faster, but it also means you need to adjust your timing and keep an eye on things until you know how it behaves. The second major difference is the wireless food probe, which only the Typhur has. I tested it on a chicken Alfredo pasta bake, and it was incredibly convenient watching the internal temperature climb without opening the oven. You can use manual temperature targets or select protein presets. I did notice the probe reads slightly lower than my standalone thermometer, but it was consistently lower. So once you learn the offset, it's easy to work with. Air frying is where the design differences really show. The Typhur's basket is wide and shallow, perfect for foods like pork belly that needs to be on a single layer. It's easier to flip food too. Now, the downside is the drip tray sits very close to the bottom heating elements, so fatty drippings can burn and create a lot of smoke. The Ninja's basket is deeper with more volume, and the drip tray sits farther from the heating elements, so the drippings don't burn. Produce noticeably less smoke during my pork belly test, and you do lose some surface area because of the depth, but overall it's cleaner for high-fat foods. For bagels using shade level 1 on both ovens, the Ninja produced a darker, crispier result, and the Typhur was the same setting but a little bit less crispy. If you want to see how the Typhur compares directly to the Emerald French Door Oven, I actually did a full breakdown of those two as well. You can check by clicking on the card up here or later after this video in the description below. In terms of control, the Typhur has physical dials for temperature and time, and I like the direct adjustments, versus the Ninja, it requires you to push the timer temp button first and then use the main dial, and it's one extra step. However, the Ninja on the usability setting trumps the Typhur because it does remember each mode and temperature and time that you set. Versus the Typhur, once you switch modes, it completely forgets it and it goes back to the factory reset settings. So here's the streamlined conclusion. The Typhur Sync Oven is the more advanced machine, faster cooking, guided rack positions, a wireless probe, and a wider air fryer layout. It gives you more control, but also asks for more attention, especially with timing and your preferences. The Ninja Premier Oven is more predictable and user-friendly, better with packaged default cook times, better at containing smoke, remembers your settings, and handles everyday cooking with less management. You want precision and power, the Typhur stands out. If you want simplicity and consistency, the Ninja is the easier choice. If you'd like to see how the Typhur performs against another popular option, I also tested it against the Emerald Dual Zone 360. Just tap right over here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.